Hello everyone, it's Liz Mew, and today I'm going to show you how to make this vegan tomato and egg dish. Now this is a Chinese classic and it was actually probably my favorite Chinese childhood dish, and I wanted to hit it texturally, flavorfully, and finding that eggy substitute is actually quite easy, and I'll show you what it is. The secret is we are gonna chop. We have our spring onions, and I bought these in Singapore. They have purple ends. Green is for garnish, white is gonna go in the pan. Okay, garlic. If you like ginger, you can finely dice it and put it in. I'm just gonna cut 2 big slices and then we're gonna take them out before we eat. Oh, they look like little hearts, or like cats, like clips. You can use as many as you want. Minimum 4, I would say, medium to large tomatoes. I think one of my goals is to help people cook more intuitively. So remember to taste your food, adjust to what you like. You're eating it, remember? Okay, we're gonna heat up some oil. Let's add our aromatics. Okay. And I'm gonna add my tomatoes in. I'm gonna season with some salt and a little bit of sugar, and we're just gonna cook that till the tomatoes break down. So basically we're gonna let this get very saucy, and then we're gonna add our bean curd right at the very end so it soaks up all the sauce, and then we're gonna serve it. We got the goods. So for our egg substitute today, I am gonna use fried bean curd. Now this is the kind that you put in like hot pot and it soaks up all the soup. This texturally is my favorite substitute. I will opt to make this instead of eggs. So I'd really recommend you do try it even if you're not vegan. You can also use these. Ling Ling Zuen. If you can't find the bean curd sheet, you can use this. You could use tofu. I don't think it's as close, but it's a pretty good sub as well. Yes. Hello. Let's add the rest of our seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. It's gonna soften and we'll mix it. I'm gonna finish it with some sesame oil. A little bit more green. Ta-da! A very luscious, very scrumptious looking tomato and egg. Ready to consume this with rice. Ding. Cheers. Saucy. So good. I love rice. I love a tomatoey rice situation. I might be coming back to Singapore, so if there is anything you guys have questions on regarding plant-based food, or you have a suggestion for what we could make, leave it in the comments below. Thank you, the Meatmen channel, for having me. Ta-da!